Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change your background, your video background on the Zoom application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Zoom application, and right after that you just need to take a look on this bottom features. There will be like 5 sections over here, so you just need to go click more, and right after that you just need to go click this meetings on the setting sections. And there will be like some options about the audio and video. Now you just need to take a look on the video part, and there will be in background and effects, so you just need to click them. And you will be brought into the camera section. So this is the current background that I have. So when I shoot my, and now you just need to take a look on the background collections down here. So you just need to like scrolling up, and you just need to pick which background that you want to add. If you already have the backgrounds on your gallery, you just need to click this plus button and just pick the picture. Or if you already put into your background gallery, you just need to click them, and here is the result. So that is the way guys how to change the background on the Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial. Bye bye.